Hey everybody! Welcome back to our channel. This is EpicNerdyMukbang. I'm Santos.
And I'm Edison.
And today we're bringing you Wingstop.
Cause you are my one love, and I'm not saying lies, you're the one in my heart, You make me feel alive, I feel crazy when you make me smile, I feel like one love, and I'm not saying lies, I feel crazy.
So we ended up getting a whole bunch of different flavors. We did boneless. These are all boneless. We have the wings, tenders, and we also have the fries. So flavors that we ended up getting were, I think this one is lemon pepper. And then also got...
It's a habanero?
Oh yeah, mango habanero. Over here we have the
It's a Hawaiian or teriyaki.
Hawaiian or teriyaki. And then this is garlic parmesan. Then tenders, garlic parmesan. That's Maddie's. And then I got plain, so we can, see what it's like plain. Basically, plain John. Does that make sense?
No.
Anyways, and then we also got fries. We got voodoo fries, and we got... What kind of fries you got?
Buffalo Ranch.
Buffalo Ranch?
Yes.
Buffalo Ranch. Anyways, we're going to talk about Buffalo Bills later, but in our shirts and stuff. But let's start by eating. So, okay, let's go. And then we also got ranch. Blue cheese. If you didn't know, Buffalo's known for blue cheese over ranch. Buffalo's probably the only place in the country where blue cheese, it reigns over ranch. And then we got ranch. And then we got honey mustard, which is your favorite.
The honey.
Honey. Okay. I kind of want to start out with the ranch. I know, for Buffalo.
Now watch this part of the blue cheese.
Let me smell it.
Yeah, it's blue cheese. Oh, well.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Where's it?
I don't know.
That's blue cheese.
No. Okay, blue cheese. Okay, I'm going to start with plain. Okay.
Extra garlicky tonight. A lot of garlic.
I'm not going to tell you. Well, I'm going to tell you. If you don't like blue cheese with your chicken, I don't know. Then you're not from Buffalo. Yeah, it's blue cheese. At first I was like, is it ranch or blue cheese?
That's actually a very good blue cheese, too.
So this is...
There's no chunks in it, though.
So the thing about Buffalo blue cheese, this is actually kind of this is actually kind of runny for what we're used to back home, because like the blue cheese we got back home, it's pretty thick, and it comes with chunks, like literally chunks of blue cheese in there. But this is good. Oh, you want to try one of these or no?
It's plain. You want to try one of mine?
Okay. Forks. Which one do you want to try first? Actually, I do want to try a little bit, because I want to see. It's just Parmesan?
Yes. Is there a lot of garlic in there?
That is a lot of garlic. Okay. Let's actually try the garlic Parmesan.
Oh, yeah.
You want to try it?
That's just kind of tastes like we use.
Did you want to try with blue cheese or ranch?
Let's try it with the ranch.
Okay.
I'm feeling the ranchy mood.
Okay. We'll move these up. Move up the mustard. Okay, so I gotta remember which one's which. Okay, I want to try the ranch because I haven't tried it in a while. Look at that. Would you look at that?
Buttermilk ranch.
I like that.
You can always tell it's buttermilk ranch. Give it a quick whiff and you smell the butter in there.
Oh, I actually never do that. Okay. So, quick recap. Well, you can grab the what is that, some Parmesan?
I'm just gonna grab it with my hand.
Okay.
It's a dry one.
So garlic parmesan, it says savory garlic, buttery parmesan. This dry rub is simple, potent, and delicious. Okay, I'm gonna use it. You doing a ranch?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That's some good ranch too.
Mm-hmm.
Not gonna lie, I love the ranch.
Yeah, this ain't no Hidden Valley.
Mm-hmm.
That's
This is
good.
better than Hidden Valley.
I like the garlic. I think the garlic parm goes good with that, but I want to try it with the blue cheese too. Mind if I take the one? Okay. We got these to share. Well, I didn't tell Maddie that we were going to be taste testing as we go. You're going to try one too? You're going to taste test on the blue cheese? Oh, wait, you already have the blue cheese. Okay. Mmm. Mmm.
These ones.
It is.
It smells so good. Oh yeah, this one's Hawaiian.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
I'm gonna try it in the ranch.
Hawaiian.
A sweet and tangy blend of island citrus balanced with rich Asian flavors.
Mmm. Citrusy.
It's pretty much teriyaki.
Okay. Which one are you going to do?
Yeah.
That one.
Or I'm gonna try the ranch first.
Okay, so it smells. It smells very like sour.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, trying ranch first. Mm-hmm. Mm.
That's good. I'm just curious as what it's gonna taste like with the blue cheese.
Mm.
I can already tell. It's
So this is really good. You know what this reminds me of? It tastes like chicken teriyaki.
Yeah.
It tastes like chicken teriyaki. But with ranch. It's like sweet and savory.
mm-hmm.
Okay, I don't know. Damn.
That's good.
Oh my gosh. Mm. You know what this reminds me of?
What's that?
So, it's like savory, but it has like a pungentness and it's sweet. So, I don't know if you guys know about salt and straw. So, salt and straw has these different, like, sometimes it has unique flavors. And one of their flavors is a pear and blue cheese ice cream. That combination right there with the sweet, with the Hawaiian sauce with the blue cheese reminds me of the blue cheese and pear ice cream. If you tried it, let me know below because it's delicious. Have you tried it before?
I don't think so.
Okay, we're gonna do salt. We're gonna do a salt and straw flavored taste test, and we're gonna get the pear and blue cheese. It's hot in here. It's 86. Woo. This is what it's like living in the Bay Area when you move from a wintry Buffalo to warm all year round. Okay, so we tried the garlic parmesan, Hawaiian barbecue, and now, ooh,
Habanero.
the mango habanero. Okay, go ahead and grab. All right, so the mango habanero, it says it's sweet with heat, and then some. Seriously. So we've had. Oh shit! I'm gonna try this one because So if you see those little things of pepper on there, so actually I've had this one before, but last time we had it, remember it wasn't spicy.
Yeah, it was like. Well, and then we found out like the sauce had like all the red peppercorns on the bottom.
Yeah, and when you smell it, it smells spicy.
Yeah.
So on the Scoville unit, it says 4 out of 5. So
It's the heat index.
yeah, sorry.
And the Scoville would be like 50,000.
Oh. Okay, do you want to try it by itself or do you want to dip it?
I'll take a bite out of it just to give it a little taste first.
Okay.
Oh shit! Hot.
That is hot. Right away.
Muy picante.
Okay, it's definitely spicy. Do you get mango? I just get sweetness. I don't get mango.
There's
Yeah.
sweetness there, but it's definitely.
Oh, that's spicy. Okay, I'm gonna dip it in ranch. Okay. Yeah. The ranch definitely soothes it, but it's still spicy. Which is weird because the last time we got this, these weren't spicy.
No, not at all.
I think they gave us the wrong ones last time.
I think because they tasted honestly more like the Hawaiian ones.
Yeah, they literally taste like Hawaiian. I think that they probably ran out of mango. I don't know, but this is spicy.
I'm gonna try the blue cheese next.
Yeah, but it's not like a spicy that's not tolerable. If that makes sense.
Yeah.
I like that one with the ranch better. What do you think?
It's still pretty good. It's not bad, but yeah, I definitely like with the ranch better.
Yeah, it just tastes better. Okay. Oh shit! I need some water.
All right, PG, huh?
Shoot. Dang. It actually is spicy, and I didn't expect it to be that spicy. I actually thought it was going to be like light, but it's okay. Okay, and the last one is a dry rub, and it is called lemon pepper, and it's the most popular, and it says zesty lemon, crackled black pepper. This dry rub is the ultimate gateway flavor.
Gateway, huh? Bold words.
Okay, you go first. Okay. So if you look, it has like peppers. It's very crispy. Okay. Ooh, it smells really nice.
You can smell the pepper on there.
Okay, you want to try it like this, or you want to try it like this?
Try that.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Definitely very citrusy. First thing that hits.
Mm-hmm.
It's very lemony. Lemon lime.
Yeah, this is really good. Okay. I always see everybody dipping in a ranch, so I gotta try a ranch. Okay. Cheers. Mm-hmm. That's good. That's good.
Speechless.
Okay, I gotta get another one. I want to try blue cheese.
It's like that hit of tanginess from the, like you get the citrus flavor, and then you put it in with the ranch. It's like a whole tangy,
Yeah.
acidic.
Yeah, because like it's kind of buttery too. So I think what the ranch does is take away that butteriness. So it's like you get the flavor.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. It kind of reminds you of like that Southern style ranch with, or the Southern style mac and cheese with ranch.
Oh yeah, that's
Yeah.
true. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's try this. Blue cheese. Okay, blue cheese. Cheers. Okay. It really isn't that
That's
good.
good.
It tastes better than blue cheese for
Yeah.
me. Yeah. Oh my gosh, you're sweating.
Yeah.
Is it from the
Anything is still from the habanero.
That's funny. Okay. Oh, should we? Sorry. Should we go back around and try everything with a honey mustard?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sounds like a plan, man.
Okay. So I'm not gonna, because I don't want to eat your chicken wings, because I just wanted to get plain to. I don't know why I wanted. Mix it up. Oh yeah, honey mustard. Honey mustard is kind of. Oh wait, should we? A little bit jiggly.
Hey, yeah, very gelatinous.
Gelatinous. I think it's because they keep them in the fridge.
I like that word, gelatinous.
Okay. Which one do you want to go with first?
Well, let's just try it well.
Hammer time? Okay. I've had this before too. This is the honey mustard is good myself. Okay, I'm sorry. I keep eating your your garlic farm.
No, take them all.
That's true. Okay. Garlic parm. That's good. Mm-hmm.
It's like the sweetness from the honey mustard rounds out the garlic.
Mm-hmm. And I think the mustard from the mustard it takes away a little bit of the greasiness, because I feel like these are deep fried. They're all deep fried. Mm-hmm. You can taste the deep friedness. But yeah, I think that was pretty good. Okay, I want to try the Hawaiian too. Okay.
Ooh, that's a big one.
Okay. Get ready. Dip. Because all I want to dip. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
It's almost just like candy.
It does.
Lethal.
But it's weird because it's mustard. But it tastes like candy.
Yeah. I think, well, the wine sauce is sweet, very sweet. I think that one's going to be. I'm curious.
I know. That was the last one or the habanero?
The habanero.
Oh, well, you eat that. I'm going to get this thing of water because it's hot as fuck. I mean, hot as heck.
Just like fudge. He said fudge. He said fudge.
Like fudge. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Making sure we keep a track of time because. Yeah, now. Ooh. Okay. So let's go ahead and. Habanero. Ooh. Oh, shoot. I thought that was a small one. No, you can have it.
Oh, thanks.
It's spicy. You can smell it.
Oh.
Okay. I think it's a double one. Is it double?
I think,
yeah.
They're just two of them just melded
Together.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this is going to be hot.
I'm sorry.
Thanks. Okay. Now, this is one of the ones that didn't. Oh, never mind.
Yeah, because I was like, I can feel it. This is one of those burns that happen after the fact. And after when we leave for this mukbang later on, maybe tonight or tomorrow morning, you already know.
Burns coming in, burns going out.
So I love spice. And I can tell you, it's kind of spicy.
I don't really spice all that much, but this one's okay.
Yeah. Actually, you're the one that can't handle spice at all. I'm over here sweating though.
It's like some parts of it are sweet and tangy, and then some other parts are just outright hot.
Yeah. I think it's because, like, honestly, like, what I remember before was, like, the sauce looked just like this, except there wasn't, like, the flakes on it, from what I remember. I think what they did was they forgot to put the flakes on it.
Maybe.
Because these are spicy compared to the ones we had before.
Girl.
Okay, let's try this. Lemon pepper.
Give me the biggest one of the bunch.
It's okay. I love the smell of this. Like the citrusy. It smells so refreshing.
It's like a summer morning.
Yeah.
Well, maybe summer afternoon.
I was like,
yeah.
It still feels like the middle of July.
Yeah. In Western New York weather.
Yeah, Western New York weather. It's it's definitely not as hot as it is here. Okay.
Damn.
I feel bad we double dip too because it's just us.
Because we're not.
Oops, don't have to do that. This is PG. I told Matt we gotta treat this like we're kindergarten teachers talking to people. Like we're in pre-K.
Oh, we're making out, right?
That's true. What do you think? Out of all of these flavors, so what we have 4: lemon pepper, habanero, Hawaiian, and garlic parmesan. Which one's your favorite?
My favorite was definitely the lemon pepper.
Lemon pepper. With which sauce?
Lemon pepper with the ranch.
Actually, yeah, that's pretty good. Only because I love spice. I'm gonna go with mango habanero, and I like it better with the ranch. Yeah. I like the ranch better. You know what? The blue cheese in Buffalo is different from blue cheese anywhere else you go.
Yeah.
It tastes different.
Seriously, if you go to Buffalo, I think what's a brand called Rudy's. Get Rudy's.
Oh yeah, it's a logo.
Yeah.
It's really chunky.
And I don't know if they still do it, but they serve it in some baseball jar.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Oh.
I think the original stuff. Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's cool. Oh, I almost forgot we had to do fries.
Nice.
Okay, so we're gonna take this down so we can show you the fries. Oh yeah, while you get yours out, I'm gonna look up our fries and see. So if you wanna show yours first.
Mine is
Which one did you get?
Buffalo Ranch.
Buffalo Ranch.
Yes.
Let me check.
Buffalo.
Okay, so you got the buffalo. So let me try and see what yours has in it. It's on their sides. Okay, so the Buffalo Ranch is fries cut fresh in every restaurant, served with ranch and original hot sauce. You want to show them what it looks like? Here. Oh. Okay.
Just take over, why don't you?
Ooh, look at that. You know what's funny is I don't know if you know this, but Frank's Red Hot is basically like it's in the buffalo wing sauce. It's literally just Frank's Red Hot sauce and butter. That's it. Mix it up. You can make it at home. You don't have to buy the actual buffalo sauce.
Garlic.
Oh yeah, garlic. So that's it. That's all you need. So if you want to make it at home, that's 3 ingredients you need. One part of the butter and the hot sauce, and then as much garlic as you want. Oh, sorry, what's it?
It's delicious.
Oh, delicious.
I'm kind of curious what your fries taste like. I don't think I've ever had them before.
No. Oh, perfect. Look at it.
Right
It fell right on the top of the blue cheese. That's so funny.
I'll smother mine in some more ranch.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I like the fries.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Just try one more cheese.
The buffalo. It's funny we keep talking about buffalo today, and like all the stuff they were doing is buffalo related because wings is buffalo.
Because Buffalo is kicking butt right now.
Yes. So if you didn't know, I'm gonna bring up the score because
The last one was like 47-3 or something.
Mm-hmm. So right now, the Buffalo Bills, the last game that they just played was the Titans, and it was 41-7. Well, not last line, it was 41-1, but I guess they probably scored. But yes, literally, they played against the Colts, the Broncos, the Panthers, the Rams, and the Titans.
And they lost to the Panthers.
Yeah, the only team that they lost to was the Panthers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. But that's 5 different teams. See? Look at that score. Look at that score. That's crazy. So, we had to celebrate today by wearing our Bills jerseys. So, we wanted to show our support and by having Wingstop as well, because, wings. So, there's, I don't consider Buffalo Wild Wings as Buffalo. Anyways, so then what I got was voodoo. Let me see. Hey, do you want to show them? Okay. So I got the Louisiana voodoo fries, which is fries cut fresh in every restaurant, served with cheese sauce, ranch, and their signature Cajun seasoning. So, what was that again? Cheese sauce, ranch, and signature Cajun seasoning. It actually, you know what this looks like? This reminds me of like a lasagna.
To me, it looks like chicken strips or something. Like barbecue chicken strips.
Okay, go ahead.
Is it cheese?
Yeah, it's cheese sauce. Cheese.
Very, very spicy. It smells like.
Yeah.
Not like habanero spicy, but more like pepper spicy.
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
Oh my god, it is a little spicy. It's funny because I never actually paid attention to the spice, but today's everything's spicy. I think it's the jalapeno. I think it's building up. I like the cheese with it.
Mm-hmm. Wow. Yeah, it's spicy. About 92 degrees in here.
It's really hot here. So,
Yeah, so if you see me looking over here, it's because I'm looking at the temperature on the air conditioner.
I know. I saw that too. I was like, oh shit! It just hit 92.
Yeah.
Okay. So, which one do you think is your favorite out of the fries?
That one.
Really?
Yeah, the voodoo fries.
Okay. I want to try these with a little bit of blue cheese.
Good?
Yes. Here. Oh, wait till you're done.
I'll try these a little bit. Okay. Honey mustard.
Here, let me paste. Oh, shit. Oh, snap. Was that me?
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Mm.
Okay. Go ahead now. Try this. And then dip it in your blue cheese. Okay, that one, yeah.
Oh, there's the chunks.
Dang,
Oh,
you
no.
like drop that shit in blue cheese.
Mm.
I mean, it was mostly blue cheese, but here, try it. Here, let me get you one. I'll do it. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, yeah.
Mm.
What do you think?
Delicious.
Isn't that good? That is so good. Okay. Whew. Oh my gosh. This is hot. It's hot in here. We're just sweating.
Right now.
It's hot as heck. It was like it's hot as heck, and at the same time we're eating hot stuff. Look, even my hair starting to become frizzy.
My hair's always frizzy.
Woo! Okay. So I think my other favorite is this one. Yeah, I think I actually like voodoo fries better as well.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so do you want to talk about anything else?
No.
I think we're good.
Yeah.
I think, yeah. So we just wanted to say, Go Bills, we're still rooting for you guys. Keep going good. You have a game tomorrow. Want to celebrate today with some Wingstop. And thank you guys for always continuing to watch. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Santos.
And I'm Medicine. And don't forget to ring that bell.
Don't forget to ring the notification bell. And this is Epic Nerdy Ling. And always remember to stay you. Bye.
And I say lies, I feel crazy.